Alright guys, as promised, I got my buddy's ZX10R out here. Super clean bike. Just want to do a little walk and talk on this thing before we actually hop on it and ride it. Give you guys a good look at everything. So for starters, he's got this thing flashed and tuned by Chris Moore. I want to say this thing made about 174 to the wheel stock. He's got a full system, full titanium SC project on it, and after he got it flashed, I want to say this thing's making about 194 to the wheel. He's got these mirror blocks, Brock's Performance mirror deletes, the carbon. He's got some ASV levers. These levers are really nice. They have a really good feel and everything, man. Just check out that SC project, full titanium right there. The bluing is my favorite part. Just let you admire that for a second. It's got a tinted windscreen. As you can see, he hasn't done anything to the livery or took any stickers off or anything like that. But he does have it lowered. He got a chain and sprocket setup done on it most recently by Chris. He's got his shorty kickstand because he's got it lowered in the front and the rear. So he's got the Brock's lowering kit on it, as you can see right there. Strapped down. He's got the forks lowered. And it's lowered in the rear. Yeah, with a bike like this making this much power, it's super hard to keep it down when you're giving it all it's got. So lowering it was one of his answers. And getting the chain and sprocket was another one of the answers to keeping that front wheel down for him. But overall, this is a beautiful bike. One of my personal favorites out of my buddy's bikes. And this thing's making some serious power. Check my man's out though. Come on, bro. What you got going on right here, man? Get your piece fixed. But yeah, man, that's pretty much his bike. Obviously gonna let you guys hear it. Appreciate you for tuning into the video today. That's all we got for you, man.